Welcome to this video on how to make withdrawals in SparkBot. Click on the withdrawal button. SparkBot will reply with your 3 wallets. Select the wallet you wish to withdraw from. SparkBot will reply confirming the sender wallet and will further ask for the amount in Ethereum that you wish to withdraw. In this example, we will enter 0.001 Ethereum. SparkBot will reply asking for the wallet address you wish to send the 0.001 Ethereum to. All you need to do is paste in your destination wallet address. This concludes this short tutorial on how to make withdrawals from SparkBot.